Mulching the garden, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a topic that combines language with a bit of gardening, mulching the garden. Whether you're a green thumb or just curious about this common phrase, we've got you covered. Let's explore what mulching really means, why it's done, and how it benefits your garden. Mulching refers to the practice of covering the soil surface around plants with a layer of material, which can be organic or inorganic. Organic mulches include materials like leaves, straw, wood chips, or compost, while inorganic mulches might be made of stones, rubber chips, or landscape fabric. The primary purpose of mulching is to protect and improve the health of the soil, but it serves several other functions as well. Mulching offers a wide array of benefits for your garden. Here are a few key points. Weed control. Mulch helps to suppress weeds by blocking sunlight, making it harder for them to grow. Moisture retention. It reduces water evaporation from the soil, keeping the roots of plants moist. Temperature regulation. Mulch acts as an insulator, keeping the soil cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Soil health. Organic mulches decompose over time, adding valuable nutrients back into the soil. Mulching your garden is a straightforward process, but doing it correctly can significantly enhance its effectiveness. Here's a simple guide. 1. Choose your mulch. Decide whether organic or inorganic mulch best suits your garden's needs. 2. Prepare the area. Remove weeds and water the soil thoroughly before applying mulch. 3. Apply the mulch. Spread the mulch around your plants, ensuring a layer about 2 to 4 inches thick. Avoid piling mulch too close to plant stems to prevent rot. 4. Maintenance. Check the mulch periodically and add more as needed, especially after it decomposes or washes away. Mulching is more than just a gardening chore. It's a way to nurture and protect your garden, ensuring it thrives in various conditions. By understanding the what, why, and how of mulching, you're equipped to make the most of this beneficial practice. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and inspired you to give mulching a try in your garden. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.